upstairs always hotter than your downstairs? It's one of the most common complaints we hear from homeowners. Most people think their AC is broken, but that's usually not the case. Heat rises and your attic and your roof absorb heat all day long. Meanwhile, your thermostat's usually downstairs when it's cooler, so your thermostat thinks the house is a comfortable temperature and shuts off the AC before the upstairs ever even reaches the right temperature. You may also have airflow issues to your upstairs as well. There are things that we can look at to try to improve that airflow, but you might want to consider a mini split system for your upstairs bedrooms just to keep them cool. If your upstairs is uncomfortable in Cincinnati, go ahead and book online or give Quality Comfort a call.
MyQualityComfort.com